So the question is the sum of the series 2 dot 20 C naught plus 2 dot 20 C1 plus 8 dot 20 C2 plus 62 dot 20 C20 is equals to, and these are the option which one is equals to. Okay, so let's see the solution. So 2 dot 20 C2 plus 5 dot 20 C1 plus 8 dot 20 C2 plus 62 dot 20 C2, how can we write it as? Okay, we can write it as like this: R naught R equals to 0 to sigma 20 3R plus 2 plus 20 CR, because if we put R equals to 0 here, then it would be like 2 dot 20 CR, 2 dot 20 C 0, and R equals to 0 here. That's why we can write it as like this. Okay, and now after multiplying 3 sigma R to 0 to 20 R dot 20 CR, okay, plus this is plus 2 dot this one 2 dot R equals to 0 to 20 sigma 20 CR. Okay, now we will solve this. 3 dot 20 20 will be outside of the sigma. R equals to 1 to 20 19, then it will be 19 because R equals to 1. This is 0, that's why it by 20, and now equals to R equals to 1, so 19 C R minus 1, because 1 reduced now, that's why R minus 1 plus 2, this is 2, and 20 C naught, this will be here, plus 20 C1 plus 20 and so on, and 20, this will be like 20 C20, and we will solve this 3 dot 20 equals to 60 dot 2 to the power 19, okay, 2 to the power 19 plus 2 dot 2 to the power 20, 2 to the power 20 to the power 19, okay, and that's why, and here is 20 19, if you like 2 to the power 21, and 5 plus 1 16, you can split as like this, and this will be 2 to the power 21 dot with, okay, so let me remove this for this. So it will be like 2 to the power 21 dot with 16. So answer will be answer number D. So 2 to the power 21 dot with 16. Okay.